Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. You control a business or creator page, and you have Facebook Pixel installed on any site you want to track. Open your page, go to Settings, then Insights, choose Visitors or People to begin. Once done, select the time range, last 7, 28, or custom dates to focus the data you'll retrieve. Make sure to use Admin View so all metrics load. This first action gets you live visitor data, and the filters you'll refine next. Now you drill down, apply location, age, and gender filters to reveal who's visiting. Use Breakdown to compare organic versus paid traffic and identify spikes by day or hour. If you linked Pixel, match Page Insights with Pixel Events, view content, add to cart, lead, to detect intent. Once the segments emerge, export the audience CSV or create a custom audience for retargeting. Make sure to save the filter set as a preset so you can repeat this analysis quickly without rebuilding the same view. Finish by turning insight into action. Build custom audiences from high-value visitors and launch targeted ads or organic outreach. If numbers look off, open Event Manager and run Pixel Helper to confirm events fire. Misfires often mean missing tags or blocked scripts. Once fixed, recheck data after 24 to 48 hours to see corrected counts. If the feed still lags, clear browser cache and retry the export. This final loop ensures visitors are identified, captured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.